Do you want to speak English confidently in 2026 but don't know where to start? Don't worry, this simple plan is just for beginner. Hello everyone, welcome to the Kashif Inzut. In this video, I will share the best and easiest study plan to learn English in 2026, even if you are a complete beginner. No pressure, no confusion, just a smart and modern way to learn English. Set a clear goal. First, ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Is it for speaking confidently, study or exams, job or travel? Write your goal down. In 2026, learning works best when you have a clear purpose. Learn basic English daily, 30 minutes. You don't need hours. Just 30 minutes every day is enough. Daily plan. 10 minutes, learn new words. 10 minutes, basic grammar, simple sentences, tenses. 10 minutes, speaking practice. Consistency is more important than speed. Use smart tools, 2026 method. In 2026, learning English is easier with technology. Use English learning apps, AI chat tools for speaking practice, short English videos and reels, English subtitles while watching videos. Don't just watch, repeat, and speak. Start speaking from day one. Many beginners wait too long to speak. That is a mistake. Speak English, alone in front of a mirror, with AI or language apps, with friends who are also learning. Make mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Listen more than you read. Your ears learn faster than your eyes. Listen to simple English stories, slow English podcasts, beginner YouTube channels. Listen every day, even while walking or resting. Weekly practice plan. Every week, learn 50-70 new words. Practice 20-30 sentences. Speak for at least 1 hour total. At the end of the week, review everything. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need useful English. Small daily steps in 2026 will give you big results. If you follow this plan honestly, you will see improvement in just 3 months. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple learning tips. See you in the next video!